Prayer that heals disease in seconds. The best motivational speech. 1. The spiritual power of prayer. In today's modern world, where science and technology advance rapidly, people often turn to medicine and advanced treatments to heal diseases. However, there is an undeniable invisible power, the power of spirituality, the power of prayer. Prayer is not just words spoken aloud. It is a profound connection between a person and the universe, the divine, or whatever supreme power you believe in. Prayer is the communication of the soul. When you pray, you don't simply say what you want. You open your mind and send hope and faith. That absolute trust is the fuel that allows miraculous healing to begin. As the saying goes, faith can move mountains. And in prayer, that faith is expressed most clearly. Not everyone realizes that the power of prayer first heals the spirit. When your spirit is calm, peaceful, and hopeful, your body naturally reacts positively and creates conditions for faster recovery. That is why many patients don't just rely on medicine, but persistently pray to find inner peace, and that inner peace empowers them to overcome illness. 2. Miraculous stories of healing through prayer. Around the world, there are countless miraculous stories of people overcoming severe illnesses thanks to the power of prayer. Some were diagnosed with terminal cancer and given no hope to live, but after days, weeks, or months of relentless prayer, they made incredible recoveries. Their stories spread like wildfire, inspiring millions. For example, there's Maria, a woman born with a serious heart condition. Doctors told her she might not live beyond 1 year. But Maria never gave up hope. Every day, she prayed with all her heart. Miraculously, her health gradually improved. Her heart functions stabilized, and she lived many more years full of vitality. Not only ordinary people, but also famous figures have shared how prayer helped them overcome seemingly impossible health challenges. In moments of crisis, their faith opened the door to healing. These stories are not myths, but proof that when we open our hearts and pray sincerely, healing energy can appear in our lives. 3. How prayer affects physical health. Did you know modern science has begun to study and prove the positive effects of prayer on health? Research shows that people who pray or meditate regularly experience less stress, lower blood pressure, stronger immune systems, and better moods. When praying, the body produces hormones like endorphins and serotonin that reduce pain and create feelings of happiness and calm. At the same time, prayer reduces stress hormones such as cortisol, which helps accelerate the healing process. A study on cancer patients found that those who maintained regular prayer or meditation habits had better recovery rates and longer survival than those who did not practice. Beyond physical health, prayer also improves mental health. A healthy mind plays a crucial role in strengthening the immune system and fighting disease. When faith and hope are strengthened, the body naturally generates powerful healing factors. 4. How to pray for the fastest healing. If you face illness and want to harness the power of prayer, here are important tips to make your prayers effective. Focus your mind and emotions. Find a quiet place, set aside worries, and fully concentrate on your prayer, connecting deeply with the divine. Use simple, sincere words. You don't need fancy or complicated language. A simple prayer from the heart is more powerful. For example, "Please heal me. I believe in the power of love and healing." Have unwavering faith. Don't doubt or hesitate. Faith is the key that opens the door to miracles. Believe you will be healed, and it will happen in your moment of prayer. Be persistent. Sometimes healing is not instant, but if you maintain faith and continue praying regularly, you will witness miraculous changes. Combine prayer with positive actions. Prayer is not passive waiting. Take care of yourself by eating healthily, exercising, and maintaining optimism alongside prayer. 5. The power within every person. Few realize that the greatest healing power lies not outside but deep within ourselves. The human body has the ability to heal and restore itself when given the right conditions. Prayer helps unlock this latent energy, activating the body's natural healing mechanisms. You create energy for your body through your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. When you nurture positive thoughts and love yourself and others, healing energy flows, accelerating recovery. Remember, maintaining an optimistic and peaceful spirit is the foundation of improved physical health. Prayer helps you sustain that spirit no matter what challenges surround you. 6. Conclusion. Faith is the magic that heals all diseases. When illness strikes, the first thing you need is faith. Faith in healing, faith in the universe's power, and faith in yourself. Prayer is the path that leads you to that power. Nothing can stop miracles from happening when you truly believe and open your heart in prayer. Each prayer is a small flame, and when kept alive continuously, it becomes a radiant light guiding you through dark times. Start today by dedicating a few minutes daily to prayer, connecting with yourself and the vast world around you. Believe that you deserve healing, happiness, and a healthy life. You will see that prayer heals not only your body, but also your soul, helping you live fully and meaningfully each day.